Okay, so here's our last video for the day. We are taking a look at Hedera. Our last video, 24 hours, were very crucial here because we were retesting that immediate support, and support has been broken here. So Hedera right now is trading at the 16.59. Last 24 hours were down 4%, and volume really took a hit here at 35%. Going into that daily time frame, this was the number here that I was really hoping we were going to hold. I mean, we held it pretty well since March 11th, retested multiple times on that resistance, but really couldn't get a hold of the resistance level itself. And now price is going to be tanking towards an area of support. Now, what's really crucial here in the daily time frame is the candlestick that we're currently at right now. It is almost looking like a hammer candlestick. It's showing us that shaven top at the very top here. The body itself is quite small and the wick is twice the size of the body. That's only right now when I'm filming, but keep in mind that confirmation is going to be on this daily close and the next following candlestick. If we're able to see a daily close at least 50% of this previous red candlestick, then it's going to put that hammer candlestick in play, and we may see a uptick in volume towards the upside. So that's kind of in the play here for the next 48 hours for this daily candlestick to close and the next confirmation candlestick to close, to see if those two factors are going to be in play. But if we do take a look again with a hammer candlestick, the body itself is at the very top here. It does show a lot of strength in terms of the buyers. Now keep in mind, volatility is quite big here. If we take a look at our Bollinger Bands, they are expanding towards the upside and towards the downside. So a lot of activity is happening in the last 3 candlestick sessions from that Bollinger Band squeeze, and volatility is expanding. When we see that Bollinger Band squeeze itself, it amps it up for a breakout, and unfortunately the breakout itself was towards the downside because the support was not held and price was not observed at the upper band. Let's zoom in towards the 4-hour time frame to see if there is any type of upwards trend. And again, we're kind of going into another hammer candlestick scenario here. Again, just kind of keep in play with the next 4-hour session. We will need to see a daily close or a 4-hour close in this factor here around the 0.1688 in order to see any type of reversal towards the upside or any type of pullback. Now, again, if we scroll out, I'm going to scroll out on the daily time frame, because if we see any further drop in terms of Hedera, we're looking for volume. So we're taking out our fixed volume range to take a look at possible areas of clusters, and these clusters on our volume profile will show us some areas of support and resistance level. So we can already see that the price is moving away from this key area of clusters, and if we do take a look at the next area of support, unfortunately it's all the way down here. So not a lot of activity happened from this dollar amount to this dollar amount, because if we take a look here on our daily time frame from November 18th all the way to December 1st, the volume just kept on going. There was not a whole lot of trades around this dollar amount because volatility was really big here. The price kept moving very fast. So if we're looking for areas of support, if our hammer candlestick scenario does not work, most likely Hedera is going to be facing this area of support around the 14 cents, the lowest, to that 15 cents. We may see price coming into this area of volume before we see our next move. So a little bearish here for Hedera, especially in this last two-day session from breaking that area of support. I almost feel like there's a lot of emotions here in the cryptocurrency world here, and a lot of emotions are in play. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I did have one of my cats here. His name's Charlie, but he didn't want to join me. I even have his favorite blanket on my lap here, but still no, yeah. There's nothing here I can get him. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.